This motorcycle is involved in accident tonight on the 16th of April 2020 at the Nambazan U-turn junction. Look guys how dark this is. Many times I've been making video. Okay, the ambulance is there, the cars involved are there. The rent-to-kill, I think, is smashed against the rent-to-kill van at night, so it doesn't focus. And this is somewhere, that's the Unity factory, and you see how dark it is at night. And apparently when the rent-to-kill was making a U-turn in this dark U-turn zone, the motorbike crashed against his back going at full speed. And I just discovered that the kid doesn't seem to have a license on this bike. That's the bike. Okay, and the police are still investigating. Okay, the rent-a-kill vehicle is that one. Won't focus at night, and he was making a U-turn, but I don't really see why a motorbike has to go full speed. A young kid who is reported to have no license yet with a bike, and he's going at full speed in a very dark. See, this is how dark this the highway from Hobart to Nambazan. Okay, this is Nambazan area going to Ramaya, and this is so dark at night. No traffic light, no nothing, and then you simply cannot go full speed zooming at night in such a road like this. Okay, just that time I was here talking about accident zone, and that is the U-turn there, somewhere there. Okay. So even ACSB has pulled out the pole from this accident zone for safety. Here's the U-turn. This is the U-turn. Here's a car making a U-turn. This is a Nambazan U-turn location, and you are making a U-turn, and it's very dark and dangerous. So when are they going to put some street lights on this highway? This is a highway at night. It's very dark. You can hardly see anything. So now tonight we have an accident. So how long is it authorities gonna do something about this?